Shubor nakaslem jong unong Saiñ Hima.
MLA kanong thamai uba Charles Pingru. Habakran hapo yeng dorbar thawan kajila. Uliyat ho ba Dr.Ricky ula jukhat yu da umama. Namar ba ula khamhe ka karta yu. Bad ujue kendu ru man kapor bad Dr.Ricky namar ba usa marjan hagaju kashnong. Bad udai ru udkhat jang kabalang Presbyterian Pohkseh. Uliyat ho ba Dr.Ricky uyadei Paralok bha bad hakipor balaleng. Bad yat ho ba shampoy Pyrkhat ba Dr.Ricky Rung shakakam Saiñ Pyrthei. Uliyat ho ru ba hakapor ba uyakun ya ka election MP ha usnam arja arpusaw. Uyilet thap vote lang ha Pohkseh. Bad ulakit bok ru yu ba job ya ka election. Bad hadian kata kapor ba ula job bon vote ha ka election ju kami kendo bhashu ba Dr.Ricky. Uliyat ho ba hadian ba ula bna ya ka jingkla no Dr.Ricky. Ula pet na ka jingkhang yet jong ka yeng ba usa namar banlet sha yeng Dr.Ricky ha banyat lingba ka yeng sa jong u. Bad hadian ba ula tip tikna ya ka jingklat ula let sha ka yeng jong Dr.Ricky. Uba Charles ula ong ba Dr.Ricky udei unong yalam ubala no senyang bha ya ka jila. Bad ka jingklat no jong u ka dei ka jingpenyat jong ublei. Bad ula ong ba undwai na ka benta ba ublei un ai ka jingpentengan ni ki bah yeng hasam Dr.Ricky hakum ka ni kapor bas ngosi.
And the leader of the opposition, in paying my heartfelt condolences and respect on the sad demise of late Dr. Ricky Andrew Jason Con. Sir, I knew Dr. Ricky. We were from the same locality, and he was a member of the Pohkseh Presbyterian Church. And we used to meet very often. Before the days he ever thought of joining politics, well, actually at that time he was a faculty of St. Edmund's College, during which one of my seniors in school was the principal of the college. So I was quite a regular visitor there. And I was not in politics at that time too. That was, I'm talking about 1997. And we used to meet often and talk, nothing about politics, just about education. Subsequently, he joined Nehu, and I remember clearly that he was also residing there. He had a quarter allotted to him, where sometimes we used to go and spend the evenings together among friends. But since there was a bit of a gap in age difference, not a bit, he used to call me uncle. I said, I'm coming to your place. You make sure you have some dinner for me. He says, no problem, uncle, we'll do that. So that was our association, more as a younger, much younger to me. And subsequently, when he joined politics, we were all surprised. Because Ricky, late Dr. Ricky, I used to call him Ricky. I said, how will you manage? He said, no, uncle, I want to do it. This was, I think, when he fought for Mumsni. 2023. But I think that was his calling. And when he won the elections of 2024, parliamentary, at the time of voting, if I'm not mistaken, his vote is still in Pohkseh. He came to cast his vote. At the same time, I was doing mine. And I wished him, I said, Ricky, all the best. He said, thank you, uncle. After that, of course, you all know he won with a thumping majority, and I didn't see him much after that. But yesterday, sir, when that news came, I was sitting at home. Someone called me over the phone and said, did you hear the sad incident? I said, what sad incident? He says, Dr. Ricky is no more. I was surprised. I said, how come? So I looked out of my window, thinking if that was the case, because to reach Dr. Ricky's house, you have to pass my house. There was no movement. Then that's the time, sir, when you called me to confirm that we'll have to meet this morning. I went to the house yesterday since I know his siblings who live there. And there was a huge gathering. I felt sad that such a promising, young, politician, come gentleman actually. He was more of a gentleman than a politician. And like the Honorable Leader of the House said, he would have contributed tremendously to the development of our state as a parliamentarian. So, sir, what to say? These are God's ways. I only can pray that his family gets the strength to sustain this loss, to bear and shoulder this immense loss, and may God grant him eternal peace. So, Dr. Ricky, go in peace.